Like every other investment, real estate is futuristic, and only smart investors with foresight can take the bull by the horn when the time is right. Introducing the Garnet Mall. Located close to awesome proximities like the Galadimawa district, the Kabusa Garden Estate, we also have the Sunnyvale, mobile filling station, we have same global estate. We have a lot of amenities in this environment that you should key into. Now, this development is a commercial development. This is one place that you should make sure that your money is in. We are going to have spas, we are going to have supermarkets, we are going to have cinemas, you just name it. We're going to have a lot of banks, we are going to have ample parking space, we're going to have supermarkets, spas, shopping malls, you just name it. It goes on and on and on. This is the right place to situate that business that you are looking to do. About a month ago, I brought you this awesome deal, Garnet Mall by Gracias. Today, I want to congratulate the smart investors that keyed in because they would be making a 10% return on investment by the 15th of September. Yes, you heard me right. Garnet Mall is going to have its first 10% price increase from the 15th of September. Now, most smart investors that keyed in haven't even completed their payment, but they would have a 10% ROI regardless. So a huge congratulations to you all. Now, you might be wondering, how do I become part of these smart investors? Well, it's not too late. All you need to do is make your 30% initial deposit before the 15th of September and you will be making a 10% return on investment. It's that simple. Now, as a smart investor, you should be thinking, how can I earn from this development? Well, let me shock you. There are lots of ways that you can earn while investing in the Garnet Mall. Now, one of them is, of course, to buy now when it is still at pre-launch and resell later at a higher value. Another way you can earn is, of course, to buy and then rent out and get monthly or yearly rental income from your development. Now, the third way that you can earn from the Garnet Mall is, of course, to situate your own business right in front of people, right where people are going to see it, and that is right here at the Garnet Mall. It might interest you to know that shop spaces, depending on the size, in this vicinity rent for at least 500,000 naira monthly. Calculate that by a year and you will see why this is such a smart investment. Now, of course, like I always say, before you invest, be sure of the title, be sure of the location. Now, one thing that is so amazing about this development is that this development is 100% FCDA approved. You can take it anywhere, you can do your search, it is 100% approved. Now, this mall is located right at the cadastral zone, sector center G. It is a very, very incredible place to invest. Now, just so you know how juicy this deal is, This mall
launched, pretty recently, and all the bank spaces, the ground floor, has already been sold out. That's to tell you something. That's to tell you that this is a premium development that nobody wants to miss. Now, with as little as 9.2 million, you can get your own unit right here. We have units ranging from 23 square meters to 146 square meters. Now, this building is going to have 3 floors, so of course you still have some spaces to buy before the prices go up. So make sure you're giving me a call. My phone number is going to be displayed on the screen. As you all know, my name is Mary, and I am your #1 real estate investment consultant right here in the city of Abuja. See you again in my next video.